Hey everyone, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. How are you doing today? I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So I've been on the hunt for a plant-based Alfredo sauce and I came across this Simple Truth Alfredo sauce. So I'm going to try it and tell you how I feel about it as far as the texture and the taste. Today I will be using this sauce to make some Cajun style shrimp Alfredo. So let's check out the ingredients. I have my favorite Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning. I have some garlic. I have some onion powder, some Old Bay seasoning since it's seafood, and that's totally optional. Some butter, and you can use any butter of your choice. I have 1 pack of large cooked shrimp, and you can also use the shell-on shrimp. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 4 garlic cloves. First, I'm going to finely chop my garlic, and you can also use a chopper. Let me know in the comments below how many of you use garlic when you cook. Y'all don't come for my nails, they're going through something right now, okay?
Boy, if you don't...
Once I'm done, I'm going to rinse off the shrimps and place them in a bowl. Next, I'm covering the shrimps with my Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning, and I'm doing the same with the onion powder. Once I'm done, I'm lightly sprinkling some Old Bay seasoning. I'm also adding 3 teaspoons of my chopped garlic. And I'm going to mix all my ingredients together, making sure to spread all the seasoning and spices evenly throughout the shrimps. I'm setting them aside so that they can infuse all the spices and garlic. While the shrimps are marinating, I'm going to preheat my vegetable oil on medium heat. Or you can just use 1 tablespoon of butter of your choice. Once my oil is hot, I'm adding the remainder of the chopped garlic. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of butter. One thing I did notice is that I should have added just the butter and not the vegetable oil. I'm going to allow the butter to melt whilst the garlic is flavoring the butter. Now it's time to add the marinated shrimps. I'm giving it a quick stir and I'm just going to allow it to cook for about a minute or 1.5 minutes the most. The shrimps are ready, so let's add the sauce. Look how creamy it looks, exactly like the regular Alfredo sauce. So as far as the texture, it's a 10 for me, but let's see how it tastes. I'm spreading the sauce evenly throughout the shrimps. Each shrimp should be covered with the Alfredo sauce. I'm going to let it simmer on low, just enough to warm up the sauce, and I'm sprinkling a little bit of dry parsley. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried plant-based Alfredo sauce. So y'all know I had to do my taste test. It tastes exactly like regular Alfredo sauce. Like, did make amazing things with soy. So I added some extra sauce because I wanted some extra sauce for my noodles. This is optional, but I've added some extra Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning to just add a little bit of heat to it. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made shrimp Alfredo. So guys, the shrimp Alfredo is ready. So I'm going to add it to my pasta. So this is the fun part. I'm adding the shrimp Alfredo to the pasta. And it smells so good. Check this out, y'all. I can smell the garlic and the spices. I am so ready, y'all. The sauce remains thick and it's not runny at all. Like, they did their thing, y'all. Y'all, this is it. This plant-based Alfredo sauce. This is it. I can finally eat Alfredo again. Because I stopped eating Alfredo because of lactose intolerance. But this is the sauce. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this sauce, y'all? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye, y'all.